Welcome to this tutorial of Opendo Animator. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate the sound into Opendo. You will be able to immerse your attendees even more easily into your meetings or training this way. So let's switch right away into Opendo Animator, which is displayed here on my computer. You can find the parameters menu here on the top right section. You can go on Open Settings and click on Personalization menu here. You will find the Activate Sound button. Fantastic. Here you can see now that the sound is on into Opendo. And let's take an example of what is sound looking like into Opendo. Let's launch a question for assumption, for instance, and let's see also what the attendee side view is. And then you will see that the music is accelerated. You get sound with each clue, and when the buzzer is on, you can validate the good or wrong answer. The name of this fantastic quiz solution is Opendo. You are absolutely right, Mary. Let's see what you get when you get to the podium. You get applause and much more sound. Fantastic. This is the way you can add some more fun into your meetings or trainings, for instance. Please feel free to contact me on my email, d@opendo.fr, to get some more details about Opendo. Thank you so much and see you very soon on Opendo.